Hi, I hope you're doing fine. If you're new to my channel, I'm Haley. I am digital and watercolor artist, and on my channel I post tutorial videos, studio vlogs, etc. In this video, we will make a phone wallpaper for your phone like this one. For this, you will need an iPad, an Apple Pencil, um, an app to draw. I will be using Procreate. You can use Sketch, which is free, and last but not the least, your phone. Go grab these things. I'm waiting for you here. Grab your iPad and open your drawing app, whichever you like. As I told you earlier, I am using Procreate. Select plus button on the very top right corner. I have already added a canvas of the size of the mobile screen. It is 1170 pixels by 2532 pixels with 300 dpi. This will fill almost all phone sizes. So first of all, we will do a rough sketch of our illustration, which is like stones balanced over other stones. Yeah, so I have added a final wallpaper design on the right side of the screen for your reference, so you can see and draw according to it. You can of course choose your own illustration if you want. It's fine, it's alright. Your phone, your choice. So here I'm trying to adjust my illustration according to the screen size and writing balance just below the illustration. Now choose the colors of your choice and start painting. For this illustration, I'm using dry ink brush, and to blend the colors, I'm using wash smudge brush. I will be showing you the brushes just right now, like after I paint my first stone. You know, I've always wanted to paint digitally because it is not very tedious like watercolor painting or gouache, where I have to carry a water jar and the washi tape and everything, you know. And because of those reasons, sometimes I do not feel like painting. Like, I don't want to paint them because of all these things. I have to put out all these things, and once I'm done with the painting, I have to put all the things on proper place. I don't like it. So I invested in iPad, and I'm loving the experience. And soon I am thinking to launch greeting cards in my shop. I don't know, I have prepared the designs. I have to give it to the print yet. I have not done that. I don't know. I am shortlisting the designs I have made. I will share on my Instagram, I think. I don't know. Okay, so get back to the phone wallpaper. Like the first stone, Let's paint remaining stones with different colors. Choose different colors, so it looks colorful and pretty. As you may know or not, I am a self-taught artist. I was working as a programmer for 3 years before becoming an artist. So the great challenge for me was to choose right colors. It was very difficult for me. So what I did, I went to Pinterest and I took inspiration for color combinations. I've also bought a book which I'm reading right now. I am sure going to post review about it either on YouTube or on my website in a blog form. I'm not sure about it. I yet have to complete few pages of it, and then for sure, it is a beautiful book. While choosing colors for the stones, please keep in mind that you choose different colors. Here I have done mistakes like you choosing the same colors for the stones and I am deleting it. So please keep in mind. Once you have finished coloring all the stones, now it is time to choose the background color. Add one layer at the very bottom of every layer and choose dark colors so the bright color stones will pop up. And I think it is better to choose dark color as a background so your phone screen will not look so bright and it is difficult to see. Now once you choose your background color, it's time to write balance below the beautiful illustration you have just painted. Now keep in mind that you write it in the center. Procreate has amazing tools so you can drag whatever you have written in the center of the screen. You can also turn on Canvas Guide if you want. Let me know in the description below if you don't know how to turn it on. I am using white color to write balance because I think it will look good as our background is of dark color, right? If you want to learn this tutorial step by step, you can join my Patreon, where I post tutorials in very detail, so you can follow each and every step without getting lost. So once you are satisfied with everything, it's time to save the illustration as PNG, and let's share it from iPad to your iPhone using AirDrop. After receiving it to your phone, let's set it as your phone wallpaper and lock screen. If you have painted this or going to paint this, please share it with me on my Instagram, haleynayak_art. I would love to see your beautiful illustration. And I think that's it. That's it for the voiceover. Yeah. If you want to download the wallpaper I made, you can go to my website haleynayak.com and download it. I've added the link in the description below. Go check it out. I hope you have enjoyed making wallpaper for yourself. Please like, share and subscribe so it keeps me creating more videos like this. And thank you so much for staying till the end. You're amazing. See you in the next video. Bye.